It's no good feeling sorry for yourself. You'll have to overcome these difficulties, and you may as well do it with some style. You know, you could make an enormous amount of money if only you'd sing. You could be a big star like that Madonna girl.
Is Madonna even around anymore? Listen, Mother, I'm getting out of the business. If I don't, I'll never have a chance at having a normal life.
First, everyone is always getting out of the business. And B, you're just like me. Sometimes I wake up and I feel like I'm talking to my armpit.
I know, Mother. Could you please not tell me how to live my life? I mean, isn't it enough that you are right? And now you have to deprive me of a few special stolen moments of self-pity?
Stolen moments? You've been feeling sorry for yourself since half the time you've been born for having a monster of a mother.
I never called you a monster.
No, you don't say it. And you're too smart to think it, yet you feel it. Somehow you lay the entire blame of your drug taking on me.
No, I don't. Nobody forced me to take the drugs. I took them.
Oh, yes, sure, that's your logical brain telling you that. But go ahead, say it. You think I'm an alcoholic.